Greetings from Bluesoft in Poland. Have you ever thought about rolling out generative AI in your business? But you find it hard to understand the link between business and generative AI and how ChatGPT and generative AI can be used in each and every single department of your company. We at Bluesoft in Poland have specialized ourselves in helping and supporting companies to roll this technology out. First of all, we use it in each and every single process and have built AI solutions for in-house usage. Secondly, we are working with lots of different verticals, from banking all the way to HR, all the way to the industry, and we're helping and supporting companies to try to understand where they can use it through discovery workshops. What's a discovery workshop? A discovery workshop is a hands-on workshop where we explain very quickly what is the theory, where we give lots of practical examples for your industry, and then we go into a practical exercise where you and your employees can discover these technologies. The outcome of such a workshop, very concrete analysis of, hey, these are the next quick wins of where I can use this technology in my company. So, if we at Bluesoft can help and support you to roll out this technology, then reach out to us, and in the meantime, most wonderful greetings from Warsaw.